Want to know how to enable comments on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to enable comments in TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open TikTok app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here and menu will appear. Tap on the settings and privacy option at the last. Now under the account section, tap on the privacy option. Likewise, tap on the comments option under the interaction section. Tap on the allow comments from option at the top. Here a menu will appear regarding who can comment on your post. Now either tap on the followers or friend option to enable the comments on TikTok. So this is how to enable comments on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.